Every great product starts long before it reaches you. It starts with a roll of fabric. At Ljvogues, we don't just make underwear, we craft confidence, comfort, and care. Every fabric is inspected first, because quality is built in from the very beginning. Skilled pattern makers refine the fit. The fabric is laid out with precision, then cut clean and exact. Experienced hands press and stitch every seam smooth, strong, and built to last. The waistband is set with care. Every stress point reinforced. Every label heat pressed into place. Before anything leaves our floor, it passes strict quality control held to the standard we'd want for ourselves. Then it's packed and prepared to travel to brands, to women around the world, from a single piece of fabric, to something a woman wears every single day. That's the Ljvogues promise. Visit Ljvogues.com to start building your brand with us.